about this car, yeah, of course you would expect the performance, but to me the really impressive thing is it drives like stock. So you have this beautifully appointed Audi interior, which I do like the interior better in this car than the Huracan. I love the way the Huracan looks, but this is again just maybe appeals to the guy that wants a little more understated but still a sporty look. And you know, it's quiet. You carry on a conversation, talk on your cell phone. You hear maybe 5% more exhaust. You certainly give it some throttle. You can hear the turbos whistling and the boost building. I'm going what 95. I'm just going to cruise down the road. Let's go ahead and nab it. Oh yeah. I mean, it just goes from 90 to 140 like that. Category of ridiculous fast. We don't build a lot of these, but we're grateful to our clients when we get to build something this special. The majority of what we build are, you've seen, you know, now we have Demons and Trailhawks and Exorcists, and you know, have a lot of Camaros and a lot of Raptors, Velociraptor 6x6s. We really enjoy getting a chance to work on a special car like this, and when you're bumping it up to north of 900 horsepower, pushing 1,000 horsepower, that's still very streetable. There are just very few cars that offer this level of performance. You really got to go to something uber, you know, Veyron Super Sport or Chiron or P1 or 918 or something of that magnitude that's $1 million car that, you know, offers equal to or in excess of performance that this car offers. So you start with an RA V10, brand new, 200 grand. This particular package is another 80 or 90 grand. That's a lot of money, but still, you know, all in, if you're at 300,000 bucks for a car that can run with, that can run, you know, mid to upper 140s in the quarter mile, it's pretty phenomenal. Come on! 20, 30, 151. 151 run the back of our track by comparison. A Venom GT at 1244 horsepower will run 163 to 165. That's for a street car, that's our record. That's just my personal record down the back of the track at that, you know, on something that's not like $1 million plus car. That's just ridiculous fast. And it would have gone faster. I could have probably gone a little bit deeper and probably gone in the high 150s. But anyway, very, very impressive car. To our client David, enjoy it, have fun with it, and looking forward to building you something new in the near future. Thanks for tuning in.